Oh yeah, HK Hynix. Okay, so HK Hynix. So they came in and the market's getting absolutely destroyed. It's not because they're losing money. Now, yes, the price target and the expectations for their earnings were insane, but they still saw $54.5 billion in revenue for the quarter. For one quarter, okay? That was 51% quarter over quarter and 257% year over year increase, okay? Their operating profit came in 61% up for the quarter and 557% year over year gain. Their operating margin percentage was at 76%. Their net profit was up 1,242%. So it's not like people in South Korea are selling because the company is losing money or going bankrupt. They're getting forced out. Now, to the guy who asked me, explain margin call. Okay, the easiest way for me to explain what a margin call is, okay? So when you hear margin call, I want you to think of it as a pizza, okay? You like pizza, and you're really hungry, and you want some pizza. But that pizza is going to cost you $25. God, I remember when it was $10. But you don't have $25. Right? So what you do is you say, I have enough to buy one piece of pizza. I only have enough money for one slice of pizza. And you say, all right, cool. Well, and they go, well, listen, here's what we're going to do. We're going to give you a loan. We're going to put you on credit. So you have your $5 and we're going to give you an additional $20 on credit to have that pizza. We're going to charge you interest on it though. So now you get your full pizza and you can take your time eating it and all that other good stuff, right? Well, you eat a couple slices of it, you only have half a pizza left. But as long as you have your $5, they're fine here. But somebody else took a slice of your pizza, you ate a slice of pizza, you have half a pizza now. Well, all of a sudden, the value of that pizza is no longer $25 because there's only half a pizza. It's only $17. I'm actually complicating this more than I should. You know what? Fuck this. Here it is. It's very simple, okay? It's very simple. You have $100. Okay, and you want to invest $1,000, but you don't have it. They say, hey, here's some margin, okay? As long as you have $100, for every $100 you have, we're going to let you have $900 in margin. So you have $1,000 to invest. But you have to maintain that $100. So you go and you put your money into those stocks. But the share of those stocks now falls, including your original $100. So the share that you bought at $100 is now worth $90. Well, guess what? You don't qualify for that full $900 anymore because you have to have $100, but you bought 10 shares at $100, they're down 10%. So what the thing is, it says, hey, listen, you need to deposit $10 into your account to bring it back to $100. Otherwise, you can't hold our money at interest. So you have one of two options. You put that $10 of your own money in to keep that requirement up, or they say, okay, you have to sell some shares. You have to sell enough to get within that, to keep in that requirement. Because now at $90, we're only going to let you have $800 in credit. So you got to sell some of that at a loss. Because remember, you borrowed $900. If you sell it at a loss, that's their money. So now you're actually down. But you keep it under that requirement. Well, what happens if this falls down to 500 and this falls to 50? If this is still too complicated, then the best way for me to ooga booga is ooga booga, you borrow money with stock and money you have. You borrow more money. If that money go down, you have to pay for more money. If you no pay for more money, your stock gets sold. And then when stock gets sold, stock price go down, meaning you owe money again. And now more stock has to sell to cover money you owe. But that stock make sell go down more and value go more and it continue go down. You get liquidated. Then you lose money of yours, you lose someone else's money, and you pay interest on money you lose that you have to pay back. Everybody lose. Ooga booga. It's a perpetual thing, right? As long as the share price is $100, you get to maintain your $900. If the share price falls to $90, guess what? You don't qualify for that. So you have to sell off $100 worth of shares to cover that. The problem is when more shares get sold off, it drops the price even more. So now another $50 in shares has to get liquidated. But that causes the stock price to go down because everyone's getting forced sell. And it keeps going all the way down. And that's basically what a margin call is. It's basically, hey, you don't have enough to cover this. You ain't got, you ain't got, your mouth is cashing checks that your ass can't fucking afford. So it's just a cascading effect. And that's what's happening in Korea because all these people took out all this money. Instead of margin, it's their own, money that they're putting up, and then they're taking out margin on top of it. And the problem is that they're getting liquidated on money that they borrowed. And so now they owe back a deficit on money they didn't have, and they still don't have. They have less of their own money to pay back money that isn't theirs, and they got to pay interest on it, and it's just a perpetual thing. Okay?